Lesson 2.2, your turn, number 2. A penalty in Meteor Mania is a loss of 5 seconds, or negative 5 seconds. A penalty in Cosmic Calamity is negative 7 seconds. Yolanda has penalties totaling negative 25 seconds in a game of Meteor Mania and negative 35 seconds in a game of Cosmic Calamity. In which game did Yolanda receive more penalties? Write and evaluate 2 expressions to find the answer. So for Meteor Mania, she lost a total of 25 seconds. And she lost 5 seconds every penalty. So we're going to take negative 25 divided by negative 5, the total number of seconds she lost divided by the amount of, or the number of seconds she loses in one penalty, or for one penalty, and that's going to tell us how many penalties she had. So for Meteor Mania, negative 25 divided by negative 5 gives us a quotient of positive 5. So for Meteor Mania, she had 5 penalties. I'll rewrite that real quick. Yolanda had 5 penalties for Meteor Mania. And then for Cosmic Calamity, and I'll just write Cosmic, she lost a total of 35 seconds, so negative 35, and we're going to divide that by the number of seconds she lost per penalty, which was 7. So negative 35 divided by negative 7 is a positive 5. So she had 5 penalties in Cosmic Calamity. And the question asks, in which game did Yolanda receive more penalties? And in this case, she received the same number of penalties in each game. So she lost, or she had the same number of penalties.